Hello guys, we are learning today understanding mathematics class 7 ML Agarwal exercise 2.7. Okay, let's see the question. First question is exercise 2.7. First question is question number 1. Simplify the following. Okay, let's question write it. Use rule of V bottom. V means Bhin column. A bar. Let's see, we have a no bar in this question. B means bracket of divide, multiplication, addition, subtraction. No bracket, only of. Let's solve first of. 9 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 9. Okay, mixed fraction, we have to convert it improper fraction. 3 they cancel, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 2 1 is 2, 3 1 is 3, 2 by 3 plus 7 by 2. Okay, 3 and 2 LCM 6. Okay, LCM 6. 2 2 is 4 plus 3 7 is 21, 3 2 is 6, 2 multiply 2. Okay, 2 3 is 6 multiply 3, 3 7 is 21. Okay, 4 plus 1 5, 25 by 6. We have to divide it, convert mixed fraction. 6 4 is 24, subtract it, remainder 1, 4 1 by 6. Answer. Next question. Use rule of V bottom. We have no Bhin column, only multiply, no bracket, no of, no divide, multiplication. Okay, mixed fraction, we have to convert it improper fraction. 8 2 is 6, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 3, 19 by 8. Okay, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, cancel it. 19 1 is 19, 5 2 is 10, 6 by 5, 10 and 5, LCM it, LCM is 10. Okay, let's see, LCM is 10. 10 1 is 10. Okay, we have to multiply. 19 1 is 19, 5 2 is 10. Okay, we have to multiply. 6 2 is 12. Okay, 19 minus 12, 9 minus 2 7, 1 minus 1 0, 7 by 10. Okay, answer. Next question. Next question is use rule of V bottom. We have no Bhin column bar. Okay, B means bracket. We have a bracket in this question. First of all, we have to work this bracket. Okay, first of all, 2 by 1 denominator, a whole number have a denominator is 1. Okay, clear? 2 by 1. Okay, 5 and 1 LCM, 5 and 1 LCM is 5, 5 LCM, denominator is 1, 3 are 1, LCM is 3. Okay, 5 1 is 5, we multiply. 4 1 is 4. Okay, denominator 1, multiply 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Okay, clear? 3 3 is 9, as it is same process. 3 3 is 9 minus 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 2 1 is 2. Okay, clear? We have a bracket, that means there is a off. Bracket, there is a off. Off means multiply. Don't write a multiply sign, only write a off. Okay, clear? Or work, this is multiply or. 7 4 is 28, carry 2, 7 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 9, 5 3 is 15. Improper fraction, convert is mixed fraction. We have a question 15 15 6 जा 9 15 6 जा 90, subtract it 8 6 18 8 by 15 answer. Next question, use rule of BODMAS. We have a bracket. First of all, work it bracket. First work is bracket. 4 on 4, 4 4 just 16, 7 2 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 minus 7. Okay, improper fraction to mixed fraction, convert it improper fraction. 16 minus 7 and cancel it. 4 on 4, 4 4 just 16, divide 3 by 5, 4 1 4, 7 1 7, divide 3 by 5. Okay, next 4 by 7 by 3 by 5, that is divide and reciprocal it. Next step, 4 by 7 multiply 5 by 3, reciprocal it. 4 5 ja 20, 7 3 ja 21. Okay, answer. Next, use rule of BODMAS. We have a bracket. First of all, work this bracket, reciprocal it. 3 by 7 multiply 2 by 1, divide 7 by 8, 3 2 ja 6, 7 1 ja 7, divide 7 by 8. Okay, reciprocal it. 6 by 7 multiply 8 by 7, 6 8 ja 48, 7 7 ja 49. Clear? Is that clear? Use rule of BODMAS. We have a divide. First work this divide, reciprocal it. 5 by 8 multiply 4 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Clear? Cancel it. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 3 2 ja 6, 5 1 ja 5 plus 2 by 5. Clear? LCM it. 6 and 5 30. We have a prime number, that means multiply of a prime number is LCM. 5 6 ja 30, multiply it. Six 5 ja 30, that means 5 multiply 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, that means 2 6 ja 12. Clear? 30, 2 plus 5 7, 1 plus 2 3. Okay, that is improper fraction. We have to convert it mixed fraction. 30 1 ja 30, subtract it 7, 1 7 by 30. Clear? Next question is 3.1. as it is, simplify the following. Use rule of BODMAS. First of all, bracket means common bracket, curly bracket, rectangular bracket of divide, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Bracket means common bracket. First of all, work this common bracket. Second of work. Clear? 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2, 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 by 3, bracket close, divide 7 by 12 plus 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 by 2 of 3 6 ja 18, 18 plus 5, 18 plus 5 23 by 6. Okay, next 3 2 ja 6, LCM 2 এর সাথে কত মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে which number we have to multiply to get 6? We have a 3, that means 3 multiply as a numerator number. Okay, 3 9 ja 27. Same process is 3 which number multiply to get 6? 2. 3 2 ja 6, that means 2 multiply a numerator number. 8 2 ja 16. Clear? Divide 7 by 12 plus the of means work as a multiply 23 multiply 11 as a 11 the which is any number we multiply 11. Suppose 27 multiply 11, that is means 7 plus 2 9, 297. Okay, 23 multiply 11, 3 1 ja 3, 2 1 ja 2, 3 1 ja 3, 2 1 ja 2. That means as a repetition. Clear? Okay. 3 2 plus 3 5, 2 3 5, 2 3 5. Clear? 2 3 5. 6 2 ja 12. Subtract it. 11 by 6. 7 minus 6 1, 2 minus 1 1. Divide 7 by 12. 2 3 5, 2 5 3. 253 by 12. Reciprocal it. Multiply 12 by 7. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 11 2 ja 22, 7 1 ja 7, plus 253, 253 by 12. 7 and 12 LCM it. 7 and 12 LCM it. 84. Okay. 7 84. 7. Which number to multiply 7? We get 84. 12 multiply 22. 12 multiply 22. Okay. 264. 12 multiply 7. We get 84. 253 multiply 7. Okay. 7 3 ja 21. Carry 2. 7 5 ja 35. 35 plus 2. 37. Carry 3. 7 2 ja 14. 14 plus 3. 17. Clear? 4 plus 1 5. 6 plus 7 13. Carry 1. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 2 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 2. Clear? We have a improper fraction. We have to write this answer from mixed fraction. 84. Divide 84 2 ja 168. 4 2 ja 8. 8 2 ja 16. Subtract it. 13. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 5. Carry 1. 6 plus 1 7. 10 minus 7 3. Carry 1 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 minus 2. Subtract 0. Okay, clear? Next, drop down a 5. 8 4 ja 4 4 ja 16. Carry 1. 4 8 ja 32. 32 plus 1 33. Subtract it. 15 minus 6 9. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 4. 5 minus 4 1. Okay. Next answer 24. 19 by 84. Therefore next question. Let's solve it this question. We are try to solve this question. Use rule of BODMAS. BODMAS, B means bracket. We have a bracket in this question. Okay, let's solve this question. First bracket. 3 and 2 LCM is 3 and 2 LCM is 6. Okay, 3 2 is 6. Clear? 2 multiply 3. We get 6. That means 3 multiply 1. We have to this number multiply 1. Let 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. That means 2 multiply 1. 2 1 ja 2. Clear? 6 4 ja 24. We have a LCM 12 because 2 2 ja 4. 2 3 ja 6. We have a common 2. That is 3 2 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12. LCM. There is HCF is a 2. Clear? We get 12 LCM. 4 3 ja 12. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 2 1 ja 2. Clear? Minus rectangular bracket 8 minus this number here. Okay. 15 3 5 ja 15. 15 1 ja 15 plus 1 16. 16 by 3 minus first bracket or common bracket 3 minus 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2. Clear? Okay. Next 3 plus 2 5 by 6. 3 minus 2 1 by 12 minus rectangular bracket 8 minus curly bracket 16 by 3 minus there is a denominator 1 2 and 1 LCM is 2. 1 2 just 1 2 ja 2. That means 2 we have to multiply 3 2 ja 6 minus 2 1 ja 2, that means 1 5 ja 5. Clear? There is a divide, we have to reciprocal it. 5 by 6 multiply 12 by 1 minus rectangular bracket 8 minus curly bracket 16 by 3 minus 6 minus 5 1 by 2. Okay, 2 and 3 LCM is 6. 3 2 ja 6, that means 2 multiply the numerator number. 16 2 ja 32, 2 6 ja 12, carry 1, 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3. Okay, 32, there we have to get 32. 3 2 ja 6, that means 2 multiply 3 6, the 3 multiply 1, 3 1 ja 3. Clear? 10 minus rectangular bracket je 5 2 ja 10, 6 1 1 ja 1. We have to know right denominator number is 1. Clear? Denominator is 1, LCM is 6 and 1 LCM is 6. 6 8 ja 48 minus 6 1 ja 6, that means 21 29, 1 ja 29. Clear? Next, 48 minus 29, 8 means 18. 18 minus 9, 9, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3, 4 minus 3 1. Clear? There is a denominator is 1. 6 and 1 LCM is 6. Okay, 6 10 ja 60 minus 19 1 ja 19 equal to 10 minus 9 1, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 6 minus 2 4, 41 by 6. Next we have to divide it. 6 6 ja 36, subtract it 5, 6 5 by 6 is answer. Bin column. V means bin column. Okay, V bot must. V means bin column. Line bracket. First of all, work this line bracket. We have a line bracket means a bin column. Okay, bin column means overhead horizontal bar. Okay, overhead horizontal bar. First of all, work this horizontal bar. 0.8 minus 0.03. Okay, 0.8 means 0.80, subtract 0.03, subtract it. 10 minus 3 7, carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 8 minus 1 7, decimal 0. Okay, 0.77, that is 0.77. Next, 2.7, subtract bracket, common bracket. We have to solve first bracket, curly bracket, rectangular bracket. There is a order of bracket. Okay, 2.7, there is a after decimal 2 place, we have to write a 2 place. 2.70, 2.70, subtract 0.77, subtract it. 10 minus 7 3, carry 1, 8 plus 1 7 plus 1 8, 17 minus 8 9, carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1. Okay, write it 1.93. Next, 3.6, subtract 1.93. After decimal place 1 place, we have to write 2 place. That there is a 0, we have to write a 0 0 0. 1.93, subtract it. 0 means 10. 10 minus 3 7, carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 16 minus 10 6, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 3 minus 2 1. Okay, 1.67. Next, subtract it. 1.8 1.89, 1.89 minus 1.67. Clear? Curly bracket done. Okay, next, rectangular bracket. 9 minus 7 2, carry 1, 9 minus 7 2, 8 minus 6 2, 1 minus 1 0, okay, 0.22, clear. Minus 2.3, after decimal 2 place we have to write is a 0. 2.30, subtract 0.22, 0 means 10, 10 minus 2 8, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 minus 3 0, 2 minus 0 means 2, 2.08, 2.08, clear. A question, use rule of BODMAS. B means bracket, we have a bracket, we have to work this bracket first, then off, okay, then divide, we have a no divide, we have a multiplication, is a multiplication, addition, subtraction, okay. Next, 4.5 minus 1 by 2 of 7.6 minus 3.5, 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 3 4, decimal, okay. Next, multiply it, 405 multiply 23, multiply it, we get 9.315, we get a number 9315. After a decimal place, we have a decimal place 1 2 3. After a decimal place we have after decimal we have a 3 place, 1 2 3, clear. Next, 9.315, we have to of means multiply, we have to divide it 4.1 by 2, clear. There is a 2 process for divide up decimal number, 2 to the 4, decimal, there is a decimal, put it, and 1 down, no, we can divide 1, we cannot divide 1, first, for this reason we have to write a 0, and after a decimal we put it a 0, okay. 5 to the 10, okay, 5 to the 10, 2.05. there is a process, there is another process, 4.1 decimal, 41 by 10, okay. Decimal, we have to remove decimal place, 41 by 10, multiply 1 by 2, of means multiply 1 by 2, 2 10 ja 20, 41 by 20, we have to divide it, 20 to the 40, subtract it 1, decimal 0, okay. We cannot divide and now let's put a 0 and put a 0, okay. 5 20 ja 100, multiply, 4.5 minus 2.05 plus 9.315. Next, 4.5 minus 2.05, subtract it, 4.50. After a decimal place 1, after a decimal place 2, we have to same place, write a same place, 4.50 minus 2.05, 10, 0 means 10, 10 minus 5 5, carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 10 minus 5 minus 1 4, 4 minus 2 4 2, 4 minus 2 2, 2.45 plus 9.315, plus it, after a decimal place 3 digit, there we have to add a 0, have to 3 digit, 0 5 plus 0 0 5, 6 5 plus 1 6, 4 plus 3 7, 9 plus 2 11, 11.765, okay. Next question, use rule of BODMAS. Okay, first mixed fraction, convert it improper fraction. 2 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5, divide 2 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2 divide 1 by 5. 5 and 2 LCM 10, 5 and 2 LCM 10, 5 5 ja 25, 2 1 ja 2 by 10, divide, reciprocal it, 5 by 2 multiply, 5 by 1. Okay, next 25 plus 2, 5 plus 2 7, 2 by 10, 5 5 ja 25 by 2, 27 by 10 multiply, reciprocal it, 2 by 25, cancel it, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25, carry 2, 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 2 12. Okay, 27 1 ja 27, 1 ja 27. Clear? Last question. Use rule of BODMAS. We have to remove decimal place. 35 by 10 multiply 24 by 100. After a decimal place 1 there is a 0, decimal 1 a place 0. Okay, decimal 1 2 0 4 0. Okay, next 21 by 100, decimal 1 2 0 1 0. Clear? As it is put same. 35 multiply 24, 35 multiply 24, 10 multiply 100, 1 1 ja 1, 0 0 0 triple 0. Okay, clear? Divide chilo, that means reciprocal it, multiply 100 by 21, 0 0 cancel it, 0 0 cancel it. Okay, 3 7 ja 21, 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 7 ja 35, 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24, 5 8 ja 40, 5 8 ja 40, divide 10 1 ja 10, subtraction minus 0.037, 0.037, 0 0 cancel, 4 4 minus 0.037. After a whole number we have a decimal point after end point. Okay, that means 4.000. How much? Any 0 we have to write it. After a decimal place have a 3 digit 1 2 3. Let's put it 4.000. Subtract it. Always subtract is a larger number sign. Write it. Larger number there is a plus. That means a plus. We have no write a plus sign. Okay. 10 minus 7 3. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 4, 10 minus 4 6, carry 1, 0 plus 1, 10 minus 1 9, carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 4 minus 1 3. Okay, clear? Answer, final answer. Extra question. Okay, I have a extra question, very good question. Check. 24 divide 4 multiply 6 minus 3 minus 24 divide 4 bracket 6 minus 3. Use rule of BODMAS. Okay, there is a no sign, that means a multiply, that means a of. Clear? First of all work it first bracket, that means common bracket. Clear? 6 minus 3 3, no sign means there is a of. Okay, there is a of, not a multiply, of. Clear? 24 as it is same, 6 minus 3 3, there is a multiply. Okay, next BODMAS bracket we done it, bracket done. Next of 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12. Clear? divide 24 by 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24. Okay, next 3 6 ja 18, 24 divide 12, 24 divide 12, 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. There is a 12 table. 4 6 ja 24, 4 3 ja 12, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 6. Clear? 2. Clear? 24 divide 12, 2. 18 minus 2, 16. Two homework question. Let's see. If any doubt, please comment my channel and like and share.